How to make a stamina HUD in 1 Game Creator in under 60 seconds. Create a new control combination. Select the sprint control and then click the pressed button. Then create the following script. Open the players and party members window. Add a while timer trigger. Set its while condition to control pressed with sprint as the control. Set the interval to 0.2. Then create the following script. Add another while timer trigger. Set its while condition to logical not with control pressed sprint as the value. Then create the following script. Open your HUD interface. Add a graph field. In the field's use value settings, click on the use value box besides retrieve value. Select current statistic and set the statistic to stamina. And you're done.